Here guys, I'm going to deploy the manual defrost, but since this sensor here is my evaporator sensor and it's being away from this ball of ice, and only the room sensor is being immersed there, so we got 2 degrees Celsius here. And take a look what will gonna happen once I'm going to deploy the manual defrost here. Let's press. So I cannot manually defrost. The reason is the temperature is too high. So my room temperature is, let's say, 27 degrees Celsius. We cannot deploy. So once your unit covered with ice, the evaporator is covered with ice, no matter how hard you press the defrost button here, it will never activate the defrost, because the evaporator sensor sense that it is high temperature. But the moment I'm going to immerse here, take a look. Okay, let's just wait for 1 minute, and after that we're now able to deploy the manual defrosting. So the reason I'm going to teach this is because a lot of technicians they declare the control is defective because they said it will never defrost, but little they realize is because of their lack of knowledge in control, the customer will suffer for their ignorance. So I don't want your customer to suffer, so that's the reason why I'm sharing it to you guys. And hopefully this sensor is now chill. And take note, my set point here is chiller here there. So we are now going to activate the manual defrost here, and see, it's now energized. And one thing, you can deploy the manual defrost. I'm going to hold the tip of the evaporator sensor, so the temperature will rise again. And take a look, and I'm going to restart it. I'm going to restart this. And if you want to deploy the manual defrost, you can do that by pressing the set button and add on button here. Again, and let's locate for P2. Press set and just set yes to no, and "15 seconds inactivity," it will go back to display temperature. And take note, this is now reading my room temperature, and we can now going to activate the manual defrost here, and see, it defrosts because disabling this evaporator sensor, the defrost is operated by time, not by temperature. So if you encounter this, guys, do not declare that the unit is defective due to defrost is not obeying your command. Thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time, mabuhay.